friends and family, welcome back to my channel, and it's another time with BEL. Okay guys, so how are you doing? I know you are doing awesome, right? As I always say, we are pulling through, right? We made it through 2020 and we are making it over through 2021, right? Okay guys, so let's dive into the video. Okay, so I want to say thank you to everybody, new and old subscribers. I really appreciate you. I mean, you've really been an awesome subscriber and everyone. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you are here and you haven't subscribed, please, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing so that you'll be able to get more videos from time with BEL. Okay, let's dive into the video. Okay, so today I'll be doing a review that's Mannequin. Is it Mannequin or Mannequin? Okay, Mannequin review. So I got this Mannequin from Union Beauty. Okay, Union Beauty on Amazon, and it was $27.99. Yeah, it's really like. Okay, so I'm going to open it. Okay. I'm always going to unbox it with you. Okay. So this is the box. This is what is in there. So this is from Union Beauty on Amazon and is $27.99, and you might get a discount because normally they do promotions. So yeah, that's it. Wow, looks beautiful already, right? So this is the manual. Okay, so this is empty. So this is the manual. It's a manual for the head stand. So trust me, you love it, or easy to install. Okay, so this is the manual to install. So that's the stand, yeah. And this is it. It looks cute, like cute already. So trust me, this is an extra box or like extra discount to your order. Okay. Wow, Union Beauty, thank you. I am loving it already, like already. So this is the hair stand. And I'm gonna open it. And this is, it came with a pin. Yeah, that's a pin for styling. And this is a ribbon. And what's it? Okay, we will figure it out. This another thing that it came with, but we will figure what it is. Okay. So it's a good deal already, right? A good deal. Because you have a bag to the plus. So as you can see, you can put the bag in it when you're going to travel or something. It's easy and movable. Ooh, I'm a black girl. So I got the black girl thingy. It's looking dopey. So you see, wow, it's looking so like soft, natural, like human, like really human. So as you can see, it looks so natural, like, yeah. So the texture is really soft, really human hair. Okay, really human hair. Yeah, so this makes it so nice and keep the hair in touch. Okay, wow, looks so comfy. So this will be able to help you to learn. Okay, like myself, I don't know how to do cornrow, like most of the easy hair stuff I don't know how to do. So this is going to help me be able to braid, like to learn cornrow and stuff. Okay, and especially we that we are living in that, especially those living in diaspora, this really help because you practice. You know how expensive it is to do your hair. Okay, so use this to practice and like practice to know all kinds of hair that you want to make. You know, now everything is on YouTube. You don't need to go for any training, okay? So okay, so that's the stand, and let's try and fix it. Okay, so this is the manual, so we're going to use the manual to fix it. Yep. So one as this, let's put that aside. So this is one, and this goes in there, right? Okay. This goes in there, and I think this is that, and it locks it. Yeah, so it locks it. Yep. So just do this. So it makes it immovable, okay? So we're gonna put it here. It looks so natural. See, it's really like really human hair, like real humans hair. Like yeah, so it's so comfy and nice, smooth, so easy to be able to style, to do your own weave on or anything. It helps you like. So easy and comfy. So guys, the hair is similar. So this hair is from Union Beauty on Amazon, okay? So you type Union Beauty and you get the same stuff. They've got different kind of hair as well, and you can check it out. But with this, I'm going to recommend to everybody who want to learn tutorials, okay? This is really the go-getter for you because it's easy and has a human texture, okay? No shedding, nothing. It looks so and feel so good. Okay, so guys, I'm going to put the link below so that you can set them on Amazon. Easy to set them on Amazon and pages one. Okay guys, so I'm going to do more of a hair review and stuff. Yeah, more of reviews. Okay, so guys, if you haven't subscribed, oh boy, please pause the video, click on the subscription button, the notification bell, so that you can get more updates from Time with BEL. All right guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos from Time with BEL, and I will see you next time. Bye.